Hi all. In our previous videos, we have seen how to create a flow action and how to embed section into flow action and how to create a flow and how to embed flow action into flow and how to run it. Okay. And after that, we have seen how to change the submit button or save button labels and all. Okay. But in that video, we have seen how to change the labels from this one that by logging into the flow. But here, what we are going to do is okay, we can directly change it from live UI. I'll show you in this video. Okay, yeah, let it be. We have changed it from here. Okay, by login to this screen, right? By going action, we have changed it from here. Okay, customize button. Okay, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to change it from directly from the flow, not from the flow action. From flow, we can directly log in by using UI, live UI. Okay, I'm opening this. Okay, I'll run this. After running that, it will ask to enter the data. But here I want to change the submit button as register button. Okay, so save button as store button. Okay, let it be. I'll change it from live UI. Just enable this live UI. Click on somewhere. Okay, you can see that flow action, right? Click on this sun button, like edit button. Okay, you can see that sun icon, right? Okay, click on there. So it will directly edit. We can edit from here. Okay, submit button. I'll change it as register. Okay, cancel button, discard button. I'll change it as cancel. Okay, now I'll save it. Again, I'll execute the transaction now by running it. See that button is changed to register and this button is changed to cancel. Earlier it was like discard and submit, but it's changed to cancel and register. This is the way to edit it from live UI. A simple, you can enable the live UI. You can get the where is the flow action. You can click on somewhere. From there you can see the flow action. First dynamic layout, then it included section, then flow action, then flow. These are the things. So by clicking on that edit icon, you can change it. This is the easiest method. Okay. In next video, I'll show you how to work on, how to see where the data is stored and what are the important parameters we need to remember and all. Okay. Until then, bye bye.